Mitt navn Rodgeir Vinsrygg. Jeg har vært
My name is
lege.
Rodgeir Vinsrygg. I've been a medical doctor for many years and have been involved in the so-called Løten case, about which I'm going to speak more.
Jeg skal snakke litt mer om. Først vil jeg takke for...
Firstly, can I thank you for the very positive response to the first video. It's nice to see people are following this. It's a pleasure to see people who are engaged in the topic. What we see are serious matters which concern the lives and health of many children in this country.
Ting vi ser, og det angår liv og helse til mange barn I dette landet.
In particular, I'd like to mention a girl of 15 years of age called Alexandra, who writes, "Too many lives are lost amongst us children held in Norwegian child protection."
Barn.
I'd like to send greetings to Alexandra and the other children. We totally agree, and many people are working to bring this suffering to an end.
Som nå jobber for at dette her skal ta slutt.
Today we're going to talk about the so-called Løten case, already well known, and I will also address the so-called school case in Inland County regarding the closure of schools, for instance in Løten.
Saken som pågår på Innlandet nå med nedleggelser av skoler I Innlandet, blant annet I Lom.
It's well known that this has been a big media case, and Minister of Justice Mel has reacted to this way of running the districts.
På den håndteringen av distriktspolitikken.
First, I will do a little repetition from the last video in the Løten case. Here we have a letter of concern which has been accepted. It is signed. For the time being, we wish to remain anonymous. The authors of this document remain unidentified. They have not revealed themselves. There is no case number, case handler, nothing is registered on the front page, but still, this document is used in a child protection case. This is almost incredible.
Det registrert på vanlig måte. Det ikke noe saksnummer, ingen saksbehandler. Men den likevel brukt I en barnevernssak. Dette ganske utrolig.
As I said last time, there is information that Jørgen Austeng, leader of Løten Barnevernet, may have written this letter herself. She has been contacted about this, but has not responded. Austeng is a civil servant paid by the taxpayer, and obviously she should be able to confirm or deny this information.
Jon Austeng offentlig ansatt, lønnet av skattebetalernes penger. Og det helt opplagt at hun må kunne avkrefte en sånn opplysning, eventuelt bekrefte den.
I must repeat that in the Løten case there is a danger to the children's lives and health. One of the children has nearly died even after letters of concern from doctors and others have been forwarded. I repeat that there are between 40 and 50 letters of concern from doctors, psychologists, teachers, which have been ignored, but one anonymous letter of concern has been acted upon.
Psykologer, skole, leger, flere leger. Det ikke tatt opp på noe som helst fornuftig vis, men en anonym bekymringsmelding har fått fullt gjennomslag.
It is confirmed that the children are illegally in a foster home. There are considerable sums of money, tens of thousands of kroner per month, paid to foster parents to care for their own children. Last time I said it was the wrong municipality who sees the children, and I'll show what this means.
Hver måned for å ta seg av barna. I dette tilfellet snakk om å ta seg av sine egne barn. Jeg sa sist at det feil kommune som har tatt barna, og jeg skal vise hva dette betyr.
In 2022, the mother informed the authorities they were moving to Elverum, the neighbouring commune. This is registered at the folk register.
Den registrert hos skatteetaten.
Anyway, in April 2023, Løten Barnevernet came and took away the two children from the home in Elverum. This is to say that in Elverum, where the family were legally settled, there was no concern about the health and the welfare of the children or their situation. This resembles kidnapping, which is a crime punishable by law.
Det ligner mest på en kidnapping. Dette straffbart.
It is suspected that the children are medicated and subjected to sexual abuse. Sadly, this suspicion is supported by documentation and interviewing of the children by the police. There is an
det
ongoing
pågår
legal
rett.
process in which there is a demand following Løten, that's the children's law, paragraph 60, which has been denied. Løten paragraph 60 states that if a child is subjected to mistreatment, such as sexual abuse, this can be brought before a court. The court refuses to process this case according to the law. This is a pattern which can be seen in several cases used to obscure child abuse. This is illegal.
Man har løst dette ved å nekte å behandle paragraf 60, late som det ikke eksisterer, og dette er en måte å skjule overgrep på. Jeg tar dette opp for det er vist gjennomgående i flere saker med alvorlig barnemishandling. Dette er en av mekanismene bak å holde overgrep mot barn skjult. Dette er ulovlig. I forhold til medisinering.
Tranquilizers are used on children on many occasions. It is reported that children meet parents and grandparents under the influence of such medication. Children are observed hanging their heads and obviously sedated. I will specifically mention the use of forcibly applied contraceptive implants intended for use by adult, sexually active women. This is openly used to prevent pregnancy amongst sexually abused underage girls in Norway, and the Minister for Children has been informed.
Dette er brukt for å hindre graviditet ved seksuelle overgrep, og dette pågår helt åpentlyst i Norge uten at myndighetene reagerer på det. Barneministeren har fått beskjed.
Elverum Commune, who are the competent authority in this case, have received a letter of concern from me in September. No response has been received.
Denne nekter de å svare på.
The municipal council have been informed of their duty, according to the law, to react if one of their own services becomes incompetent. And the child services are obviously incompetent if they refuse to react to child abuse.
Gripe inn ved barnemishandling.
The municipal council give no response to this matter and abdicates responsibility. The head of the municipality, Mr. Trengereid, has thus been reported to the police, and this is an active case today. There is a danger to the lives and health of 2 children, and the case has been sent to the head of Inland County Council, Thomas Brien.
Om både fare for liv og helse hos 2 barn. Saken er nå sendt til fylkestinget Innlandet ved saksordfører Brien.
There are apparently more current child abuse cases in Inland
County.
County.
Pågår, og han ble også informert om dette samtidig.
This is where we are today. Thank you for your attention.